And this is that smaller bathroom. So I did get my pedestal sink in there, the cedar one with the river. That was a pain in the butt, but it looks good. Got that up, and then I also put up the mirror that goes with it. So that kind of takes care of that section. Just gonna do the towel rack and the usual toilet paper thing. But I think it'll work out okay. Over here, I have one of the scraps that my neighbor had on his pile from the sawmill, and it's cedar. So I'm either going to use this side to go on one edge of the mirror. I'm not sure which side yet. Or I'm going to flip it the other way and use that side. Boy, I don't know. Hey, looking at it from here, it kind of looks like a parrot. So I played around with them a little bit more, doing them all different types of angles. I even tried a different piece that I actually liked better. But when I looked at it, it had a lot of rot in it, so I had a little bit of work to do with it. But I laid it on the mirror and I thought, yep, you're it. So a lot of sanding. And wait, did I say yet a lot of sanding? Because there was a lot of sanding, which there always is. But once you start sanding, you can see that it was really starting to smooth out nicely in those rich red colors. So initially I was going to cut the edges, but then I thought, you know what, leave it organically shaped. So I love the colors. I love cedar. I love working with it. Just those hues of red and that rose color just never gets old. So I did end up putting some wipe-on poly. I think I put probably total of 3 coats on it over a few days, and you can see it just brings out that really rich color and really makes it pop. So up in the corner of the mirror, I thought, I want something to balance it out. So I did find just a smaller piece. So I cut it at that angle, and you can see again the rich colors that came out. So the mirror that I used was just one from Menards, and it was a frameless mirror. And I didn't video it, but I just glued the pieces of wood on to the mirror with that E600. And then I used these Easy Cleat hardware mounting. I mean, it worked out beautifully. So, if you want to try something new, go ahead. You never know what's going to turn out and what's not. So I'm glad I did it. I think it looks perfect with the rest of the decor. And thanks for watching, and hope to see you on the next video.